Welcome to Meta Web Design, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can design a live tracking consignment website. A website that has the ability to show the live location of the package that is being sent, maybe the box or the parcel. It displays real-time Google location. You're going to see the location of the package that is being sent, and the sweet thing is that you can control this from the back end of the site. That's the admin panel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up this website from scratch in less than 10 minutes. So let's get to the video. So right here on my desktop you can see I have the website displayed, and I'll be showing you all the features of this website, all this website has to offer. So this is the home page of my website. You can see the name Express Wheels. Let me scroll down. You can see the images are well organized. The coloring is perfect. You can see the fonts are perfect. You can see the footer is looking very well. Site looks professional. Now let me go over to the heading section. Now you can see here we have logistics, we have services, we have about us, and we have contact us. Now I'll just quickly go over this section so you see what they look like. Logistics. So you can see this is what the logistics section looks like. You can go ahead and change whatever you want to change, but everything is already well arranged. You can see. So I'll go over to the services. You can see the services page is well arranged. You can see everything is organized, the images. Site looks 100% professional. And now if I go to the about us, you can see this is my company name, about Express Wheels. You can see everything is well organized, everything is well arranged. And now I'll head over to the contact information. And if you click here, you can see head office, customer service. I'll show you how you can go ahead and edit all of this information. So let's scroll down. You can see everything is well organized. So I'll just go ahead and hit track. So this is the tracking page of my website. This is the page that displays the information of the package that is being sent. This page displays real-time location of the package. So I'll put in this tracking number I created and I'll hit track package. So you can see this is the page. You can see all the information is being displayed here. I'll just take my time to go over them. You can see over here we have print shipping invoice. I'll click this. So you can see over here we have a shipping invoice. You can go ahead and print this. Let me go back. So now you have estimated delivery date. You can go ahead and adjust the date to whatever you want from the admin panel, from the back end. I'll be showing you how you can do this. Now we have shipping progress. You can adjust this. Now we have origin. This is where the package is coming from. You can see I just used this location for test. You can see the current location. I use Lagos, Nigeria. And you can see the destination where the package is going to. You can see the total freight cost. And if you come down here now, you can see the live tracking. You can see it's in Nigeria just as I used. And you can see the origin where it's coming from, which is here, which is this place. And you can see the destination where it's going to, which is London. You can see this is a very powerful website, and I'll be showing you more features of this website as we move along. So let me scroll down here. So over here we have receiver's information. This is the person receiving the package. You can see the name, you can see the email, phone number, and delivery address. So if we scroll down over here, we have sender's information. That's the location of where the package is coming from. That's the sender's information, the person sending out the package. Now over this other side, we have shipment timeline. That's the timeline of the shipment, the activities that has occurred during the time. You can see from the dispatched location to where it moved in. You can see all the trucks, you can see the address, and the sweet thing is you can update this from the admin panel. That's the admin, the owner of the site can control this You can put custom, you can put up messages, you can edit it the way you like. You can make it on hold. You can see all these are the features. These are what you can do on this timeline space, and all this can be done on the back end of the website. Now if you scroll down, we have images. You can see you can add images of the package. You can add the shipping mode. Is it by water? Is it by air? Is it by land? You can add description. You can add weight. You can add carrier. And if you click on show more details, you can add freight cost. You can edit the amount. You can do a lot of things. This website is very, very powerful. So that's the tracking page. Now I want to show you how you can control this from the admin panel. I'll be showing you the admin panel of this website. I'll just go ahead and log in. Good. As you can see, I'm signed into my admin account. You can look here, it says admin. I'm signed to the admin account. This is where I'm going to manage all the affairs of the tracking, all the affairs of my website. This is where I'm going to set everything I'll be needing for the website, for the shipment. Now it has a lot of functions. We have here create shipment, we have email services, we have administrators, and we have settings. Now I'll go over this real quick. Now we have settings. As far as settings, we have app settings. This is where you can put your company name. This is where you can put your company website, your WhatsApp number, the year your company started, your logo. You just upload your logo here, and it will automatically change on the main page. And here you put your website name, your address. If you have a live chat, I'll show you how you can set up a live chat on a separate video. Now the installation, just leave this. Then favicon, this is your icon that shows here. You just go ahead and upload this. That's all for settings. Then for administrator, this is where you can add managers that can manage your website. You can add them here. The admins that you want to manage the website, you can go ahead and add them here. Then the email service, this is where you can send email to each of your users. Maybe the person they are sending, one of your receivers, you can easily create email and you can email them from here. Now create new shipment. This is the most important place of the admin. This is where you're going to be creating shipping information, tracking ID for those people you're going to be sending your website. Now here we have sender's name. This is the name of the person sending. We have the email of the person sending. We have the sender's address. And over to this side, we have the receiver's information, the name of the person that is receiving this package, or the box, or the parcel, or whatever is being sent. We have the receiver's email, contact information, receiver's address. Now if you scroll down, we have package details. We have package description, if it's money, if it's goods, if it's whatever that's being sent. Now we have tracking number. You can edit this and put in the tracking number. We have quantity, we have weight, we have payment method, transfer cash, whatever payment method. We have shipping method, what kind of method, if it's by air, if it's by land, if it's by water, you indicate. Now we have location and delivery. We have origin, where the thing is coming from. We have current location, the current location of the parcel. We have destination, where the destination is going, where the parcel is going. Freight cost, this is where you can put in the cost of the shipment. We have estimated delivery date. This is very, very important. You can update the estimated delivery date so the customer sees when their package is coming in. So you can see from here we have dispatch date. That's the date the shipment left the warehouse or the wherever it's coming from. Now we have shipment status. You can either be approved, available, cancelled, custom, delivered, in the warehouse, package pending. You can choose whatever status suits the package. Now we have shipment progress. This way you can indicate the progress the shipment have made. And we have upload new photo. This is where you put the picture of the package. You can, if I come back here, you can see there's an image here. See, you can put images of the package from this particular place and you hit save. Now come back to your dashboard. Now you can update the current status of those parcel from here. or the packages from here. If you click here, update, you can see you can either put it on hold, you can put in custom, you can edit the location, you can put comments, and you click submit. Now after I do this, it will automatically change here, it will automatically update here, both on the live location. So that's how you can edit and arrange the tracking information. Now to the next part of this video, I'll be setting this up from scratch. So this is the most important aspect of the video. This is where you pay close attention to the step I'll be taking. So as you can see, I'm currently logged into my cPanel. You can see here it says cPanel. So in order for you to access your cPanel, you need a hosting and you need a web name. Now your web name is simply your domain name or your website name. If you've not purchased your website name, or if you've not purchased your domain or your hosting, you can reach out to me and I can help you purchase one, or you can follow the instruction in my video. I've created a video on how you can purchase your domain. You just have to follow the instruction in that video. So if you've already purchased your domain, this is the cPanel, this is the interface of my cPanel. So I'll just go ahead and start installing the website. So as you can see, I'll just go ahead and scroll down to where we have domains. As you can see, I'm on the domain section. I'll just click here and open a new tab. Okay, as you can see, I'm logging into the domains page. Now if it's a new website, you just go ahead and click here to go directly to the file manager. But for this, I'm going to create a subdomain because I already have a website running on this particular domain. So for this, I'm going to create a test website. So I'll just call this. So I'm going to call it test.expresswheel.org, and I'll hit submit. So you can see I've created a new domain name for this my test website. So if I go ahead and open a new tab, you can see it's not loading up. Okay, so let's go back and fill it up. So I'll come over here and I'll click open a new tab, and I'll come here. So you can see this is the home folder of my test. You can see the name test.expresswheel.org. I'll just go and click select all, and I'll delete. So as you can see, the directory is currently empty. I'll just go ahead and upload my website file. So I'll come over here and click upload, and I'll click select file. Desktop. So I'll come over here and click this particular file and click open. So I'll just give it some time to load. You need to have a very good internet connection so it's load up, it boots very fast. So you can see it's loading. So we'll just wait for it. Okay, good. You can see it has finished loading. So I'll just go and click here. So you can see now on my file manager, I have this particular zip folder. I'll tap on it and I'll come down to extract. You see, I'll just go ahead and click extract files and wait for it to extract. Close. Now you can see the folder. I'll just open this folder and you can see all these files have been extracted. I'll come over here and click select all, and I'll come to this section that says move. Now I want them to be in the directory direct, so I'll erase this to move files here, I'll click this. So you can see all my files have been moved to the home directory of this website. So I'll just go ahead and connect the database. So I'll come back to my cPanel and I'll scroll down to where I have databases. I'll right click here, open a new tab. So you can see I'll just go ahead and create a database. I'll call this Meta Web Design. So I'll copy this and I'll hit next step. So I'll be using same name, same password. See, I'll select or I use same name, same password, and I'll click create user. So you can see I've created the username, you can see the database. Now I have to connect this to my website. So I have to go back to my file manager and I'll look for this file .env. I'll click on it and I'll click edit. So what you have to do now, you have to change some certain things in this file to make it connect to your website. Now, on this number 5, I'll go back to my manager and I'll copy this. I'll come back here. Number 5, I'll select this and I'll put in my test website. You can see what I just did. So as you can see, I've changed it to my test website. So I need to change 13, 14, and 15. So I'll come back to my database wizard and I'll copy this. Remember, I use the same for all. So I'll go ahead and do this and paste this here. Come over here and paste this here. Come over here and paste this here. So make sure you get this thing very correct. If you don't, it won't work. So you should be very, very skeptical about entering those information. And I'll hit save changes. So I'll just go ahead and close. I'll come back to my database wizard and I'll click all privileges and click next step. So I'll just come back to my cPanel and I'll come to database and I'll click here under phpMyAdmin, open a new tab. So you can see I'll click on the database I created and I'll come back to import. I'll come to choose files and I'll upload my SQL file. You can see my SQL database file. I'll click on it and open. I'll scroll down to import and I'll click import. Good. As you can see, I have imported my SQL file. So let me go back and check. Click here, copy this. Hit enter. So this is the website we have just created. You can see the interface, everything is looking very, very sharp. Images are well organized. So you can see. So now if you need those files, I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number so that you can reach out to me so I can show you how you can install those files, and if you need them, I can send them over to you. And also if you have difficulties installing the file, or if you install the file and it doesn't work, you can reach out to me, I can help you fix it. So the next page I'll be showing you is the admin page and how you can control these things from the admin panel. So I'll just go back to my cPanel. And I'll come to phpMyAdmin. And I'll come to that database you created. I'll come to admins. I'll click on edit. So over here you can go ahead and put in the email you want. So I'll just go ahead and look for my website and just go ahead and use this. Copy, come back here, and I'll put this in here. I'll just go ahead and put admin at okay. Now for the password, you can go ahead and put whatever password you want. I'm just going to do this for my password. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and come down and hit go. So as you can see, I have successfully created my admin username, which is my admin logins, and the password. So now I'll go ahead and log into my admin. So in order for you to log into admin, you need to come back to the file manager and you need to locate this particular file. It says specific documentation txt. I'll click on it and I'll edit. I'll click on edit. Then I'll come to line 50. It says your URL. So I'll come back to my file manager. I'll copy my URL. I'll head back there, line 50, and I'll paste in my URL. And I'll copy this and I'll hit save. Now if I copy my URL, copy, and come over to a new tab and paste it in and hit go. Okay, good. You can see this is my admin login page. So I'll go ahead and use those information I created to log into the admin panel. So I'll come back here and copy this. Copy this, paste it here, org, and I'll just go ahead and put in my password 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and I'll hit login. Good. You can see I am logged into my admin panel, and from here you can do every other thing like I showed you at the start of the video. So that's how you're going to create your very own consignment live tracking website. So that's the end of the video for today. If you need any of these files, you can reach me on WhatsApp. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. If you have difficulties installing any of these files, you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp. If you want to buy your hosting, if you want to buy your domain name, you are free to reach out to me and I'm glad to accept. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace.